Hi, I'm Carol Ruth Weber of Weber Life Design, and today we're going to talk about mini kitchen setup for your dorm room. Before you start setting up a kitchen, buying appliances, check with your college to make sure what is allowed and what is not allowed in your dorm room. Many times they have rules on what appliances they don't wish you to have for fire hazards and such. Most colleges will allow a mini fridge, so this is very important because you get to store your beverages in there and anything else that you want to keep cold. So most colleges will allow a mini fridge. The questionable items is maybe a microwave. Microwaves are great to have. They could cook a number of items in, just like you do at home. You'll cook your soup in, your popcorn, and everything else in. Toaster ovens are also another good item. You can actually bake a cake in there for someone's birthday, cook dinners in, and an array of items. So you pretty much have a whole kitchen set up with just those. Now, hot air popcorn poppers are great. All you need is a large bowl, some popcorn kernels, and a hot air popper, and you have a great nighttime snack when watching TV or studying. Sprinkle on some grated cheese, and it's a very healthy snack. You want to make sure you have utensils set up. You want items to eat with. You want a safe knife, maybe like this with its own sheath to protect you, a big spoon to cook with. You want drinking cups, and you want, of course, a mug for your coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. Containers are important because when you have leftovers, you need a place to keep them. You want to make sure that you have all your food items, cereal, maybe microwavable dinners such as soup and macaroni and cheese, and of course your popcorn, and you'd be set for life. You won't have to worry about those midnight cravings when you're studying. You'll have your own little kitchen set up to have a quick snack. If you're in the middle of studying and you can't get to the dining hall, you can make a little meal for yourself, and you'll get everything done that you need to get done. Your stomach will be satisfied. Your studying will be satisfied. You'll be ready for the big test in the morning. And when friends drop by to watch a neat little movie on TV or whatever, you'll have the popcorn ready. So enjoy yourself at college. And remember, don't put on those freshman pounds. Stay healthy, keep the food healthy, and never be afraid to dance.